Good morning, children. Children, are you happy today? Now tell me, is your any birthday in your home? Can I come to your home? Okay. So children, tell me, what is the weather today? Is it rainy? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Yes, the weather is very pleasant. So children, you have to take out your rhymes book and open the page number 19. So children, tell me, which song are you learning this week? Today you have to sing with me this number rhymes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Now, children, do you know how to count the objects? Yes, very good. So, we will do one activity. We will make the groups for some objects. Now, we will pick up only 6 objects in the group. So, children, this is a group of blocks. Now we will pick up the blocks and count with me. 1. After 1, which number will come, children? Yes, very good. 2. After 2, which number will come, children? Tell me. Very good. 3. Now after 3, which number will come? Yes, good job. 4. Now after 4, which number will come? Yes, very good. 5. After 5, which number will come, children? Yes, 6. Now you have to count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, you have to pick up only these 6 blocks in the group. So children, this is a group of some multilinks. Now you have to pick up the multilinks one by one and keep it here, and then you have to count the multilinks. 1. After 1, which number will come? Yes, 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. 6. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 multilinks. You have to pick up the 6 multilinks in this group. Now this is a group of ice cream sticks. So children, you have to pick up only 6 ice cream sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have to pick up these 6 ice cream sticks in this group. So children, this is a group of some seeds. Now you have to pick up the seeds, only 6 seeds, and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many seeds? Very good. 6 seeds. You have to pick up these 6 seeds in this group. Now tell me children, what is this? Tell me. Very good. This is a beads. Now you have to pick up the 6 beads in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So children, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 beads. You have to pick up only the 6 beads in this group. So children, if you don't have these things like multilinks, beads in your house, so it's okay. Whatever things you have in your house, you can use those things. So children, you have to take out your smart mathematics book and open the page number 54. Take out the page number 54. So children, you have to write the sets which have 6 objects. So children, you have to count. What is this? Tell me children, what is this? Yes, good job. This is cherries. So children, you have to count these cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many cherries children? Good job. These are 6 cherries. So you have to right in the circle. Now you have to count this housefly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 6 housefly children? No. Very good. This is 5 housefly. So you don't tick right in this circle. Now children, you have to count these birds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is it 6 birds? Yes. Good job. This is not 6 birds. This is the 4 birds. So you don't tick right in the birds. Now you have to count this lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many lemons, children? Very good. These are 6 lemons. Now you have to tick right the 6 lemons. So children, you have to tick right the sets which have 6 objects. So I hope children you have understood this work. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.